Step-by-step guide to the admission process in universities. Hello and welcome to our channel. We are excited to share with you informative and engaging content on a variety of topics. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable insights, tips, and advice on everything from education to lifestyle to technology. 1. Research the university. Start by researching the university and the academic programs it offers. This will help you determine if the university is the right fit for you and will also help you prepare a strong application. 2. Review admission requirements. Check the admission requirements for the academic program you are interested in. This will typically include minimum GPA requirements, standardized test scores, and specific course prerequisites. 3. Submit an application. Start the application process by submitting an online application form. Make sure to review the application instructions carefully and provide all required information. 4. Submit official transcripts. Request official transcripts from all high schools, colleges, and universities you have attended. Transcripts should be sent directly to the university's admission office. 5. Submit standardized test scores. Depending on the program, you may be required to submit standardized test scores such as the SAT or ACT. Make sure to review the specific requirements for your program and submit scores by the deadline. 6. Submit letters of recommendation. Some programs may require letters of recommendation from teachers, counselors, or employers. Make sure to follow the instructions for submitting these letters and provide your recommenders with plenty of time to complete them. 7. Write a personal statement or essay. Many programs require a personal statement or essay as part of the application. Take time to carefully craft your statement and make sure it aligns with the values and goals of the university and program. 8. Pay application fees. Submit the application fee by the deadline. Some universities may offer fee waivers for students who demonstrate financial need. 9. Follow up on application status. After submitting your application, follow up with the university to ensure all required materials have been received and to check the status of your application. 10. Prepare for interviews. Some programs may require interviews as part of the admission process. If you are selected for an interview, prepare by yourself. So, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Join us on this exciting journey of exploration and discovery. Thanks for watching.